Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in New York on his 5-day tour of the USA. This is his maiden US visit after assuming charge of Prime Minister. Prime Minister was received by India's ambassador to US, S. Jaishankar, and India's representative to the UN, Ashok Mukherjee. As his convoy approached the hotel, his convoy was surrounded by an enthusiastic crowd of Indian community who were waiting there for hours to greet him. Prime Minister too acknowledged this love by stepping out of his vehicle and mingling with the cheering crowd. Prime Minister's security personnel had a tough time managing the situation.
New York City has been taken over by Indians. तो और ये सब आए हुए हैं सारे कंट्री से. They've come from Canada, from Western United States, Eastern United States, Southern United States. सारे इंडियंस जितने यहाँ पर, ऐसा ही लग रहा है मुझे कि सारे के सारे इंडियंस अभी न्यूयॉर्क सिटी आए हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी का स्वागत करने के लिए.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा और इसकी मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वो ऑलरेडी जा चुके थे और फिर वापस आए, तो एकदम लगा कि याही सावर्स
आए नहीं है, बड़े खुशी से आए हैं, पूरे उत्साह के साथ आए हैं. जिस तरह वो लोकल में आए और अपने सब जनरल पब्लिक से आकर मिले, मोदी पहली दफा हुआ है.
हमने आज तक कभी इतनी तत्परता और उत्सुकता आदमियों में नहीं देखी न्यूयॉर्कर्स में कि किसी नेता से मिलने के लिए वो 4 घंटे 5 घंटे खर्च करें.
After reaching the hotel, Prime Minister met New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio. The Prime Minister also had a meeting with eminent Nobel laureate and famous cancer specialist Professor Harold Warmus and invited him to visit India to assist in health and public care research. On Saturday, PM will address the UN General Assembly. Apart from that, PM Modi will have bilateral meetings with many leaders who have gathered in New York for the UNGA meet. Meanwhile, the External Affairs Ministry clarified that there are no plans for meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif.
There is no meeting planned between the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister has 3 scheduled meetings. These are with our South Asian neighbors. These are with the President of Sri Lanka, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and the Prime Minister of Nepal.
Prime Minister Modi will also visit 9/11 Memorial and pay homage there. PM will address about 20,000 people of Indian origin in the Madison Square Gardens. US President Barack Obama will host a lunch in his honor at the White House on 29th of September. This will be the first meeting between the two leaders. Prime Minister will also meet entrepreneurs at the America-India Business Council on 30th September in Washington, D.C. With Bureau Inputs, Ashok Srivastav and Dheeraj Kakadia's report for DD News in New York.